For our form of energy, we had wind energy. The basic way to getting energy out of the wind is using a wind turbine. And the beauty of using wind to get energy is it really doesn't cost much. And you don't need to do anything to the wind because the wind will just cause the energy to be formed. Wind turbines, they can be put anywhere, whether it was on a city, in the country, or you can put in the ocean if you want. And it uses the Earth's natural jet stream, which is always constant, so you're always going to have energy. And the main reason that they're so versatile is because they can be put anywhere and still get it, because the jet stream's always moving everywhere. There's always wind. There's always a little bit. Even if you can't feel it, the air is still moving.
Another one of the beautiful things about wind is that it doesn't use any fuel, so in return there's no waste. It's just you put the windmill up and it just starts spinning and starts collecting power. Very friendly to the environment. It generates hundreds of kilowatts of power each day if it's very windy out.
And the land underneath can still be used for businesses, farming, anything underneath can still be used because there's nothing that falls down from the wind turbine. It's just the wind turbine itself, and nothing else falls down, so you can put whatever you want underneath it.
Another thing about the wind turbine, the actual base of it is very small compared to the diameter of the propellers. Propellers are huge, but they're on a very small pole, a couple of small poles that hold them up, and as a result of those small poles, you can take up very little space.
And they can be used as a tourist attraction because you can put up hundreds of them if you want, and that is actually quite a sight to see a bunch of 100-foot wind turbines collecting energy. They have no constant workers, so you put it up and you don't need anyone constantly monitoring it. You need checkups, whatever, for maintenance men. But after you put it up, you don't need to constantly be paying someone to watch over it and to observe what happens to it, because you obviously need someone to tune ups, whatever. But you still don't need anyone to constantly be working on it, which is positive.
Yeah.
As you can see, it's very windy outside.